So, you've gone and got yourself a brand new Canon PIXMA Endurance G3600. Good choice. Let's get it up and running. Take care to cut through the packaging tape with a suitable knife or a pair of scissors. Open the box. Lift out these important bits and pieces. Keep them to one side for now, as we'll need them later. Lift out the printer. As you can see, we've done a really good job of getting the printer to you in tip-top condition. Remove the polystyrene packaging wraps, then take the printer out of the bag. All the orange bits of tape and plastic can then be removed and recycled or discarded. Before you do anything else, make sure you've located all these items. This includes the print heads, the ink bottles, cables, installation discs, and these bits of paper. Locate the power socket and plug in the cable like this. Make sure the wall outlet switch is off before plugging the other end into the wall. Now go ahead and switch on the power. Now we're ready to put in the print heads. Open up the printer like so, remove the print head from its packaging and drop it into the print head carriage like this. Now we're ready to put in the ink. Starting off with the black ink, cut open the plastic bag and remove the ink bottle. We've designed these ink bottles so that any ink leakages are kept to a minimum. However, please do be careful when opening them. We don't want any ink spilling onto your clothes or the carpet. Have some paper towel at the ready, just in case things don't go to plan. Open up the ink reservoir latch and then pull out the little rubber stopper. Being as careful as you can, put the spout of the bottle into the reservoir and hold the bottle completely upright. Empty all the ink into the reservoir by gently squeezing the bottle. When all the ink has been emptied from the bottle, you can safely discard it, making sure to contain any remaining drops of ink. Close down the reservoir latch and move on to the colour ink reservoirs, making absolutely sure that you put the right colour into each one. Now it's time to turn on the printer and prime the print head. Wait until the power light exhibits a double flash like this. Hold down the stop button for a few seconds until the power light starts flashing. What happens now is that the printer will take a few minutes to pump ink into the print heads and get your printer ready for action. When the power light is a constant green, you'll know it's time to move on to the next step. Now it's time to put some paper in the printer. Open up the flap at the back of the printer and place a few sheets of paper into the feeder. Make sure that the paper guides are butted up to the side of the paper. That brings us to the end of the initial setup phase. You can now go ahead and connect your smartphones, tablets and computers.